Hello everyone, welcome to another very quick tutorial video on how to customize Shopify's Dawn theme. Now, as you know, Dawn theme can be customized two different ways. It can be customized through a code. So if you're tech savvy, you can go into the code and edit the code, or you can customize it by just clicking on customization. So as you can see right here, right, when you're going into your Shopify theme editor, your current theme will look like this. So you can just click on actions and then edit in a code, or you can click customize. So if you click customize, right, you will be able to enter the theme editor, which looks like this, right? Now, as you can see on the left side, you will have the headers, the announcement bar, the heading, right, buttons, featured collection. So you can basically click on, let's say, announcement bar, and this is basically what you will be able to edit, right? And then you can edit, the colors, you can edit the basically, the buttons, stuff like that, the text on it as well. Here you can also click on basically the home page, and then you will see the home page. You can click on different sections of the page and you can basically see image with text, for example, heading, text, button. You have featured collection, stuff like that, right? So the left panel will show you the layout of the structure, right? On the right side, right, you will have also customizing your templates, stuff like that. But here it's basically everything that you want. So just click on the element that you want to customize and you will be able to customize it, right? So as you can see, is it the place where you actually customize your store, theme, or template. When you select any selection in the left panel, all the left options under the section will appear on the right panel as well. And you can upload the header image, stuff like that. So that's pretty much how you can go and how you can customize, I would say, 80% of your theme. If you want to customize 20% of your theme, then you will need to go and you will need to basically go into your code, right? And you can access the code by going here, if I scroll down here, to actions and then edit in code. And this will be allow you to edit your Dawn theme in code, with code. And this is for more tech savvy people. So if you have any questions or comments, definitely comment down below and we'll see you in the next video.